Before we continue reading, we're going to review the questions that we need to answer when we are done. Number 8, what does hereditary mean? Number 9, what technology was developed in China during the Zhou dynasty? We are not completing number 10, the foldable. We will be completing the check for understanding questions here. Check for understanding. List 2 different landforms and explain how each one helped shape Chinese history. List 1 accomplishment of the Shang dynasty and 1 accomplishment of the Zhou dynasty. During the Zhou dynasty, new technology helped farmers. The Chinese developed better ways to bring water to their fields. With a better irrigation system, farmers were able to grow more food than ever before. Under the Zhou, China's trade expanded also. Silk from the Zhou dynasty has been found as far away as Greece. The aristocrats became more powerful under the Zhou. They began to ignore the king. They each took control of their own territory or states. Aristocrats began to fight each other for power. These battles lasted for nearly 200 years. This time in Chinese history is known as the period of the Warring States.